Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have a professional data for you. These are Nightling graphic design collection. Here is alphabets, background and botanicals, elements, handwriting and geometric design etc. So first I show you these are in PSD file. Wow, already designed. These are PNG and PSD. You can use in Pixel Lab or phone application on Android phone and add on Photoshop. Here is background and here is these are flower, I think, elements. So I delete this file and here is flowers. I think you can change color or you can apply gradient overlay. Mountain, wow, you see the behind the moon and mountain, and next is flower. These look like amazing. Wow. Okay. You see here a deer. Wow. Fox hand. And here is moon 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Mountain 1. Mountain line. And here is skulls of deer or ibex. I think stag. These are stag. You see. Wow. Okay, and next is geometric design. Moon. Amazing. Handwriting letters. Here is 50 files are in PNG. Wow. Alt and F. So first I drag this. I try to write my channel name. First S and H, E, and where are R. Okay, and last is I. Drag on Photoshop. So I close this file Photoshop icon and create an for new layers documents. Here select A4 size. Image rotation. Okay, and here is H, here is S. You see here in layer area you can use it as a elements or you can import anything. So I close this file and just simply drag and drop. Here it says or you can change color like this. Open FX, red color. Okay. Control S for saving. Here S and S or apply gradients overlay, planar angle redial, change and color. Depend on your own self. I tell you just for example. I know you can do better. Here is just a sample. Okay, and going to yellow color, Control S, and here is black cube. Control Shift E, and where is new file? You can drag here SH. Control Shift T. You can change color, you can apply gradient overlay or anything, depend your own. So I tell you just for example. Wow, so you see here that simple SH. Oh, you change something, flowers, or you apply moons or deer, fox. Wow, wow, here is behind a flower, plant. Okay, Control S for saving, and amazing look. So I close this file, and I know you can do better. I don't want to